Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It is the month of July. Of course, we're right in the middle of summertime. 现在刚好是夏天，正好很热的时候了。
Yeah，
但我很喜欢夏天，
因为可以游泳，
可以游泳，可以晒太阳，
可以去海边，
可以吃冰淇淋，
还可以看美女。
对，其实讲到最大的重点就在后面了。Yeah. See, it's summertime, and I love summertime. The weather is great. You can get a suntan. You can have, shaved ice cream. But of course, the girls are lovely. But today we're going to teach you things associated with summertime. 夏天先怎么说？
热天。
热天 That actually means hot day. 就是热天的意思。
对，就是热天。
It's very cute. The Hakka just call summer a hot day. 热天 And when it's summertime, we like to go to the seaside, the beach. 喜欢去海边。
海水。
海水海水就是海边，任何的海边就是海水。
海水。
去海边呢，当然可以游泳，对不对？
对。
那游泳怎么说呢？
秋水。
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 That's swimming.
海陆腔，秋水。
秋水。There you go. A different dialect for swimming in Hakka. And don't forget, when you go outdoors during a hot summer day like this, especially when you go swimming, you have to put on suntan lotion. 现在你知道，因为大气层的那个都破坏掉了，我觉得现在紫外线越来越严重了，
需要擦防晒的东西。
绝对对，防晒乳一定要随手携带的 ，OK？ So suntan lotion, how do you say that?
防晒棉油。
防晒棉油。So 防晒 the first two words mean sunblock and 棉油。That's lotion. So let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases here. 游泳嘛，对不对？
秋水啊。
秋水，那就常常会问，
你会游泳吗？
没错，你会吗？
会。
Okay, that means I know how to swim. But how do you ask that in Hakka?
會游水嗎？
會游水嗎？ That means, do you know how to swim?
會游水嗎？
我會啦，會。I love swimming, and I hope everyone can enjoy it. Let's review these terms about summertime. 夏天 summer.
熱天
and then the beach 海邊。
海水
Go swim 游泳。
秋水
and finally the suntan lotion or sunblock 防曬乳。
防曬棉油
And there you go. Have a great, enjoyable summertime. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.